What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. And I get this question all the time: Jullien, where should I invest? And the reality is that no one person can know many different markets at the same time. I know three particular markets that I'm confident to invest in. I'm explaining to you how. Okay. So the first place that you should consider investing is where you actually live. Why? Because you're familiar there. You see the things happening. You see the trends. You see where that line of gentrification is continuing to push out towards, and you're going to have feet on the ground. It's going to be easier for you to see properties and actually build relationships. So that's the first place that you should consider investing. But some of you are in some tough markets like the Bay Area or New York, where it's hard for you to invest there because of the price of homes at this moment in time. So the second place that you should consider investing is actually where you're from. Right? So I invested in Brooklyn first because I was living there. The second place I invested or considered investing was Oakland, California. Why? Because I'm from there. I know Oakland from 20 years ago, right? And I knew where the hood was and where it's not now. I tell you all the time, go invest where your favorite rappers are from, right? Whatever hood they're repping in their songs, that's where you should be investing right now. I have a property in Hollow Grove in New Orleans, right? Lil Wayne's from there. So this is what I tell people. So go invest where you're from. You should own where you're from and try to get in before it's too late, right? And if you're from a small little town and you're taking this knowledge that you have from living in a bigger town that you went to for work or for college, you can actually go really make it happen in your small town where you're from. Okay, so a couple different strategies. The next place to invest is a community that you want to contribute to, that you want to be a contribution to. For me, that was New Orleans. I'm not from New Orleans, right? I never lived there for any particular reason, but I fell in love with the city, and I hope that the city falls in love with me, and I'm seeking to be a contribution to that community, not a colonizer, a contribution. There's a difference between a gentrifier and a colonizer, and I explain this all the time. A gentrifier is somebody who actually, if you look at the definition, go look up the definition yourself. A gentrifier is somebody who actually increases the value of a community. A colonizer is someone who seeks to take from that community, seeks to destroy it, displace the people, and destroy the culture. Okay, so oftentimes we've been calling gentrifiers colonizers gentrifiers, but we just have to use the language that is appropriate. And many people are colonizers, from the slumlords to some of the hipsters, right? They don't care about the people that are there. They put profit over people, and we want to put people over profit, right? This is what I call ethical investing. Okay, the fourth place that you should invest, is actually an opportunistic place, right? And I typically don't encourage this, but sometimes it's okay to put your money in a space where you don't have any necessarily commitment to, your heart isn't tied there whatsoever, and you just see an opportunity. And that's the fourth place that you should invest. So first, invest where you currently live. Second, invest where you're from. Third, invest in a community that you want to be a contribution to. And then fourth, right, is an opportunistic place where you see an opportunity and you don't have any connection, you don't care whatsoever, you just want your money to be working for you, all right? So consider those four places when you're thinking about investing in multifamily real estate, all right? If you want help with doing this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. Periodically, I do a webinar where I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily deals, whether they're in your city or from a distance. So again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. All right, much love, y'all. Peace.